Good morning. In this video, we are going to talk about proposition 27 from book 1. So this proposition says that if a straight line is falling on other two straight lines and the alternative angles are equal, then those two straight lines are parallel to each other. So for example, we have a straight line L here. It is falling on L1 and L2 respectively at point A and B, and the alternative angles, these and these, are equal, and obviously this angle and this angle are equal. Then the proposition says that these two straight lines L1 and L2 are parallel to each other. Okay, so let's give it a proof. So we are going to use the method of contradiction again. So the first step is always make a hypothesis. That is, they are not parallel. So please think about the definition of parallel. Two straight lines, if we produce them to infinity, they will never meet each other in both directions. So if they are not parallel, let's assume we can produce these two straight lines L1 and L2 to meet with each other at a point of C. By using postulate 2, right, we can produce a straight line. So please pay attention that in this image, ABC is actually a triangle. This is straight line, this is straight line, okay? So what we have, please recall proposition 16. The exterior angle of a triangle will be greater than any of the two opposite interior angles, right? So think about this triangle ABC here. Let's pick up a random point here as D. So this is an exterior angle of it, and this is one of the opposite interior angles. So we have ABD must be greater than angle BAC, right? Because of proposition 16. However, it is contradictory to the condition we know. The condition says the alternative angles are equal. ABD is equal to BAC, which means our hypothesis is incorrect. So these two lines, if we produce them, they will never meet each other at this direction. And similarly, we can prove that they will not meet with each other in this direction by the same method to prove. We just skip it. And recall definition 23 again. If we produce these two straight lines to two directions and they do not meet with each other, then they are parallel. So L1 is parallel to L2, and this proves our proposition. And in the next video, we are going to talk about proposition 28. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.